guys, welcome to my channel. Today's sausage roll recipe is very easy, just follow it through. So I've added 3 cups of all-purpose flour and I'm going to be sifting it in order to remove all the lumps from it. You don't want to have lumps when you're working with your cake or your sausage roll batter. So I added some baking powder, a teaspoon, some nutmeg, a teaspoon as well. I personally like adding sugar to my sausage rolls. It just has this slight sweetness that is not just all savory. I like when it's a little bit sweet. So I'm adding some butter. You can use margarine. Sorry, it's actually margarine I used, but you can use butter as well. I added 150 grams, and I'm not using water. If you want, you can use water, but I'm using evaporated milk, and I added about a cup of evaporated milk in total. So you can use water if you don't. I just wanted it to like taste very rich, and that's why I added some milk, but you don't have to. You can use cold water if you wish. So guys, as you can see, I finished mixing my dough, or I won't say batter, sorry, batter is for cake. This is my dough for my pastry, my sausage roll, and I'm just allowing it to rest. Don't worry about the way I'm covering it, it's not rising or anything. I just wanted to put it in the fridge while I mix my sausage itself. So I have meat sausage here, and because it's already sweet, I don't add any other seasoning, but I like to balance the taste. So I'm using some garlic powder and some black pepper and some chili. I like to break that raw taste, so I always like going in with some garlic or ginger and some pepper as well. If you don't like heat, you can like reduce the pepper you add. You can just like use a little bit of black pepper. If you like more heat, definitely more than the one I added, feel free to add more pepper if you so wish. So guys, my dough has been resting and I have mixed my sausage meat as well, and now it's time for me to start flattening it out. I'm just going to roll it very well. You can roll it in any way. There's really no way, there's no one rule that suits this. Just roll it in any way that it suits you. I'm just rolling it flat all the way through, and because I'm going to be cutting it now, for sausage it's actually like better if you work with like some prescription, or you have like a guidance or something to work with, so that you have a direction. Okay, yes, I wanted to say direction, yeah. So you can see the way it looks now. I won't just put my sausage meat in there. I'm going to be cutting it out so that it's all balanced on all fronts. So the excess part, that where you've rolled, the excess like dough that does not look even, yes, we are going to be cutting out all uneven parts so that you can easily and efficiently put in your sausages or your sausage meat, so that you'll be able to roll it effectively. I prefer doing it this way, and I do it like this, like for every 2 sausages. It depends on the size of the sausage. Don't worry, you'll see how I'm doing it. So I'm putting in the sausage meat into my dough. I'll be adding more until when it's all stretched out on all sides. So this for me is okay. Another thing I must add is that my batter is a little bit thick, or sorry, I keep saying batter. My dough is a little bit thick. It doesn't have to be this thick. It can be like a little bit thinner. But this is really homemade. If it's something that you're buying, of course it won't be this thick. So carefully you want to start wrapping this. So sometimes you don't even need to wrap it all the way through, but like I said, this is homemade sausage, so we have to like go all the way. Then the next thing I want to do is I'll be sealing it with some egg wash. You can like use water, but sometimes because I'm going to be like using egg wash on it anyway, I just decided to use the egg wash to seal it as well. But you can also use water to seal off that last bit before you wrap it. So you just press it firmly so that it doesn't come open when you're baking. So just wrap it tightly. Be careful also, if you do your dough well, it won't break at all. Just the way you've seen this one, it's not breaking. So you can use your knife to cut it into your desired shape. Some people like the way that sausage was, but of course it's too big. Honestly, if you saw the way this one was, it was actually very big. You can still cut it smaller. I actually cut it into different sizes depending on the person that is taking it. The kids prefer when it's like mini sized. So I cut it smaller. So after doing the egg wash, you want to coat it well so that it comes out even. I used some fork to also poke it so that the steam comes through, and I baked it for 25 minutes at 180 degrees, and this is what we have. We have it in large sizes, we have it in small sizes as well, medium size as well, and we have the mini sized too for the little kids. If you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please thumbs up, kindly share, and please subscribe to my channel for more recipes. I'd love to see you come back to get more recipes from this page. All the best. I'll see you in other videos. Bye.